Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathbar Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to save your playlist to watch later um, in one shot instead of taking one by one, which is like very time consuming and bothersome as well. So I'll try to explain it like as simple as possible. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and comments. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I'm just gonna open up my Chrome browser and just click on the three dots to the right. Make sure it's checked desktop site. Okay, so you just mine is already checked, so I'm not gonna do it again. So, and I have a playlist somewhere, and I got the link for it. I already copied. I'm just gonna paste it over here. So. Paste it, go, and then you're gonna click on play all. Once you do that, you're just gonna scroll down and take like any video you want from there. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and you just have to click on add to queue, which I did. Just wait for like a couple seconds. Then after that, when you come over here, you see save over here. Just click on
welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lark. Today I wanted to highlight for you some interesting low market cap coins later. That might have a lot of potential moving forward this year.
So
before we get into that list, a quick
stop this video. So like bothering me. Anyway, so I'm going to show you. So I'm just gonna open up my YouTube app, which is right here. And just gonna click on library. See, watch later. I click on watch later, see all 19 videos are added. Instead of going like one by one, I just added it in a one shot. So this is how you do it, because I was having a lot of hard time doing one by one, and I believe like a lot of viewers, they're having the same issue. So I had to learn that hard, and I try to share with you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.